Okay, so here are the two practice questions that go with section 2.1. So the first question says a radio station broadcasts on a wave with a wavelength of 410.5 meters. Calculate the frequency. Okay, so the formula we're going to use here is frequency is equal to V divided by lambda. Okay, now V is your speed. This is the speed of light. So if you remember from the notes, the speed of light, V is equal to 3.00 times 10 to the 8 meters. Okay, your lambda, which is your wavelength, lambda, is equal to 410.5. You get that from the question. So 410.5 meters. So when you put this in the formula, you get V over lambda. F is equal to 3.00 times 10 to the 8 divided by 410.5 meters is equal to an answer of 7,30816.08. Now, when we look at this, we say, this is not the right answer because of significant digits. So we go back. 410.5 has 4 digits. 3.00 has 3 digits, so your answer needs to be in 3 digits. So your answer actually becomes 7.31 times 10 to the 5 hertz. Okay, so that's your first question. Second question says the x-rays used by a dentist have a frequency of 8.0 times 10 to the 18 hertz. That's an 18 if you can't see that clearly, 18 hertz. What is the wavelength? Okay, so here we're looking for wavelength. So we're looking for lambda is equal to question mark. Okay, so the formula we're going to use is lambda is equal to V over F. Now we have our V, which is the speed of light, which is 3.0 times 10 to the 8. You have your frequency, which is 8.0 times 10 to the 18. Okay, so when you divide these two numbers, you get 3.00 times 10 to the 8 divided by 8.0 times 10 to the 18. When you divide those two numbers, you get an answer of, why did you write down? 3.8 times 10 to the minus 11. Okay, I'm going to make this a little clearer. So 3.8 times 10 to the minus 11. So 3.00 times 10 to the 8 divided by 8.0 times 10 to the 18. 3.00 has 3 significant digits. 8 has 2 significant digits. Therefore, your answer needs 2 significant digits. So your answer becomes 3.8 times 10 to the minus 11 meters. So it's very, very small.